Okay, Alan, so tell me a bit about this new machine. Tell me what it does and perhaps what the driving force was behind its development, the issues that it will address as far as end users are concerned.
Well, as you know, Mike, we've got a easy control which has been extremely successful. This is a touchscreen machine which the market, we were unsure whether the market would like it or not. We've sold hundreds of these controls on different machines and they've proved very reliable and very successful. So what we've done with this machine is allow the software to be very easy to program without taking any of the restrictions away from an experienced user.
So how inexperienced could an operator be in terms of coming to terms with this machine? The customer's bought the new machine, there's their workforce. Can they put a new guy on there? Can they?
We see this as a lot easier than the standard CNCs, but not as easy as our easy range.
Okay.
Obviously, it's got to have a little bit more flexibility for very advanced components, including non-land grinding.
Okay, so tell me about the industry sectors that you'll be promoting this into.
Initially, we're looking at the automotive and the aerospace industries. Medium to high manufacture.
Do you think the easy control is helping to kind of stem what may have been a tide that was flowing against the grinding process generally? It has been said to me that people find it difficult to sustain grinding section within a company because they're not the operators, it's difficult to do, there's other ways of making it.
Absolutely. We found with these 4 or 5 button presses, an operator of a hydro-mechanical machine using easy with 4 or 5 button presses just to get the axis reciprocating rather than using a spanner to alter the dogs. They can just use the hand wheel as normal to take material off the part to a set 0 data. It's very, very easy. This is the status page, Mike, that we'll usually look at, an operator will normally look at. On it, we have the essential items, the position of the machine and the distance to go, along with all of the offsets, flat gauge offset, probe offset, the part count, and other things that the operator might want to look at.
All they need to know, sir.
All they need to know. Optional block delete, optional block stop, and regrind. Along the top we've got an alarm button, which will glow red if there's a red alarm, different colours depending on the status of the machine. We have a dynamic display of the cycle that's currently running.
Okay, yes.
So this is a plunge grind cycle.
Yeah.
We can see the x-axis, the wheel head coming in, grinding the part to a diameter of 50 millimetres.
Okay, that's the green bar that we can see there.
This is the green bar, so you know exactly in the cycle where you are.
Yes.
Second page, we can see all of the machine axis positions, the work, coordinate system positions, and also we can set user positions as well. So if we like to set a Z position, we can do. The programming side of the system can be done graphically with the part program represented as icons at the top. Each individual page for a G810 plunge grind, for example, is indicated down the left-hand side. So we can indicate what dressing do we want in the plunge grind. Do we want gap elimination in the plunge grind? X-axis positions and Z-axis positions. There are also options on here for oscillating during the plunge, oscillating during the whole plunge cycle, or not oscillating at all.
What are the advantages one way or the other of oscillating or not oscillating?
It's the increased surface finish and also increased stock removal. Any alterations are instantly reflected in the actual master program in this context-sensitive text editor. So you can see the cycles are written in blue and all the parameters green, and the values for each parameter are in black. To assist the operator during setup, developed a new remote hand wheel, which also has 20 soft keys on it and a 2-line LCD display.
Yeah.
As the operator is led through the setup procedure, questions will appear on the screen. From that, the operator can use this to digitise positions whilst he's looking at the wheel on the part, rather than having to go back to the screen.
Yes.
Okay. You can use the screen, you can use the hand wheel. It's up to the user.